Okay, guitar superstar. Today we are going to go over ear training, listening to a song and being able to pick out at least something of what is being played. Now, what I would suggest, just a basic, simple rule of thumb, would be you hear a song and you either try to find the root notes or you try to work out the melody, and that will give you an idea of what chords are being played. Let's take a song. I actually have not really tried to work out the song. I like the song. It's One Direction. What Makes You Beautiful? One Direction. I think this was Harry Styles' band, if I'm not mistaken. I don't follow the new music that much, but Harry Styles was in this band. Maybe he still is, but now he's a very famous solo artist in his own right. No, not that one. Dun, 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 dun. That riff has been used, in other songs. So you would try to listen. So far, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to find the root notes, right? It's 1, 4, 5. So you have the E, you have A and B, right? So it's used in Summer Lovin' in Greece, Summer love had me a blast. Wella, 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 boom, bum, 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 bum. Here it's a little different, right? Just slightly different. Listen a little more. Oh, not that one. Okay, now that next part is a little different. Everyone else in the room can see it. Na 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 na. Probably goes back to E, right? So it's just a continuation. It's a very simple song, that's why I picked it out. And generally, if you want to work on songs, you might want to start with easier, right? And then work up to harder songs. This is a very easy one. But it's still, we could try another song too, but let's see how it goes next. Now, the next part is a little different, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do it myself here. If only you saw what I could see. the same chords. But you get the idea. Let's try another song before I make even more of a fool of myself. Let's try. This is a song that you probably have not heard. Sugar Man by Rodriguez. Made famous in Searching for Sugar Man. It was a great documentary about him. He was basically, he was a lost artist and then was rediscovered. Try this.
Sugar man, won't you hurry? 'Cause I'm tired of these scenes.
Okay, so you could work out the melody. Sugar man. It's probably A minor from that, right? Let's go back and see if that's correct. I'm not getting this because I think he's might be in a slightly different tuning. Something like that, you know, not exactly, but you get the idea. I mean, you could. Let's listen some more. We'll try it a little bit longer.
Sugar man, won't you hurry? 'Cause I'm tired of these scenes.
A simple way of doing it would be just like A minor. Like A minor, C, E7. Sugar man. That might be like a very simplified version of it. Anyway, you get the idea. You know, it's just listening, trying to find the notes or the bass notes in the song, maybe working out the melody a little bit, which can help you to find the chords, and then you're on your way. And definitely the ear can be trained, and you could look at all of music as that is training your ear, and some people naturally have that more than others, but it can definitely be worked on, and I'm gonna keep working myself. So Hope this was helpful a little bit, and we'll see you next time. Keep on rocking. Thank you.